For the very first time, the Reserve Bank of India, India's central bank, is lifting the curtain on one of its most tightly guarded secrets, India's gold reserves. In a brand new documentary series titled RBI Unlocked Beyond the Rupee, the RBI opens its vaults in Mumbai and Nagpur, revealing gleaming 12.5 kg gold bricks, part of India's 854-ton gold stockpile. But why is the RBI showcasing this now? The documentary marks a major shift from secrecy to transparency, offering citizens a rare look at how the RBI functions and manages the backbone of India's financial system. India's gold reserves are split between 510 tons held in India and 324 tons kept abroad. The RBI is now one of the top 10 central banks in the world in terms of gold holdings. But there's more to this than just showing off wealth. Since 2017 and more aggressively after COVID-19 and the Russia-Ukraine war, the RBI has been buying gold to diversify reserves, reduce currency risk, and protect against volatility in global markets. Between April and September 2024, gold helped India gain in value, while currency reserves suffered due to market fluctuations. That's why central banks, including the RBI, are hedging bets with gold instead of relying heavily on foreign currency assets like the US dollar. Recently, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman clarified in Parliament that India's rising gold stock is not an anti-dollar move, just smart financial planning. As one RBI official put it, countries may rise and fall, economies go up and down, but gold will always hold its value. India's hidden gold isn't just a treasure, it's a symbol of strength, stability, and strategy. For more such insightful videos, subscribe to EduChem.